guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. In this clip, I want to introduce a new technique to encoding and decoding GPS coordinates to the positioning system of Unity. Okay, first, we should take a look at this page here. Michael Tyler 3D released this Unity GPS converter 10 years ago. You just need to download the whole repo here, and after that just double click on this GPS encoder.unity package and import it to your Unity project. But it is just a simple C# script. It is just this GPS encoder. Even you can add this GPS encoder file into your project folder directly. I will share this link in the description of this video. Okay, after you do that, you should come over here. I found this third-party design GPS encoder here. This is just GPS encoder. There is no sample scene. So let's take a look at how we can use this technique. For example, I want to go to this position. For example, here in Vancouver, British Columbia, here front of the Canada place, I took a position. This is the lat and long of this position. Okay, now I just want to convert it to the XYZ of Unity, and after that I will convert that XYZ of Unity to this coordinate. But you need to know first where is the 000 in the word. So because whenever you want to convert it to the XYZ of Unity, it generates with having a virtual 000 in Unity. So you will put your Canada place coordinate depends on that 000. In the word, the 000 is 0 I believe. Yes, here. Look at this. The position is 000. It is downside of south of Ghana in West Africa. Look at this. It's Ghana, and in here, it is 000 of the word. So whenever you wanna, I'm here. Whenever I want to generate my position to for this coordinate, it converts to the XYZ of Unity if we have XYZ 000 in Unity 3D space for this position, and it generates my position to this coordinate. Okay, I made this GPS test here, and now let's take a look at this GPS test. It is really easy. You just need to call this function whenever you want to convert GPS coordinate lat and long to XYZ of Unity. GPS to UCS, okay? And whenever you want to convert Unity positioning system XYZ to GPS, lat and long, you will call this function. Okay, and this is the example point of my test. Now I will add this point. Okay, come over here. Let's go back to the Vancouver. Okay, it is the coordinate. This minus is important. Don't forget to add it. Okay, now it is correct. Now let's take a look at this. Excellent. This is my position in XYZ and generated by this coordinate to XYZ. Minus 1370, 49, 80, and Y is 0 and Z is 54, 49, 98, 1. This is the unity position of me if we want to generate with depending to this 000 position. And this second line is converting this position, unity position, it doesn't matter where, this position to GPS. So if you take a look at, if you compare this guy and this guy, they are really the same, similar, but just a little bit rounded. But by the way, it is fine. And it is really, really good and helpful for whenever we want to make a simulation and we want to use GPS coordinates for monitoring system. Okay, I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't hesitate to ask any question related to Unity, AR, VR, and XR. Subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it. Have a great time. Bye bye.